how to install Pubg on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Pubg on your Android device quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. But before installing Pubg, make sure your Android device meet the minimum system requirements. Pubg requires at least Android 5.1.1 or higher, at least 2 GB RAM, and a stable internet connection. If your device meets these requirements, let's move on to the next step. Now let's download Pubg from the official Google Play Store to ensure a safe and virus-free installation. To do that, simply open the Play Store, and once you have opened the Play Store, simply tap on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply tap on the search bar and type Pubg and hit search for it. And once the result is shown, simply tap on the Pubg mobile at the top of the list in the result, and from there you can simply tap on install. And once you tap on install, the game will start downloading. The download size of game is over 1 GB, so make sure you have a stable connection. And once the game is downloaded, you can simply tap on play to launch the game. And if the Pubg is not available in your country, you can still download it using VPN and setting your location to a supported region. And after installing the game, you can turn off the VPN and play normally. And that's it. Now you know how to install Pubg Mobile on Android and start playing. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.